In today's video, we are going to solve problem 21. Press S plus Y plus 2 to scale cube twice in Y-axis. Press Shift plus D and G plus X to move the duplicate in X-axis. Press S plus Z plus 0.5 and then right-click on bottom bar and horizontal split the viewport in 2 equal halves. Using Gizmo in upper viewport, get a view from Y-axis. Duplicate the solid and scale down the duplicate and press S plus Z to scale it along the Z-axis. Make another duplicate and move it to the X-axis. Now Shift-select the 2 cuboids and press Ctrl plus J to join and right-click Shade Auto Smooth. Select the solid and click wrench icon in the right modifier, add Boolean difference, dropping the vertical cuboids one by one. Adjust the camera position and bring the light near to the solid and render the image. Congratulations, you have solved the problem. A few other videos on Blender problem will come very soon. Please join our channel. Thanks for watching.